Welcome, dear viewers of Design in the World, both longtime friends who have been following our channel and new subscribers joining us today. Today, we'll explore together a fascinating world, a dive into the past through the eclectic Victorian style. Victorian interior design is much more than just an aesthetic. It's an open window to a bygone era that has left an indelible mark on the history of furnishings. Through this video, we will immerse ourselves in opulent details, elaborate ornaments, and distinctive furnishings that characterize this style. But why look to the past? Because Victorian design, although belonging to a different era, can offer us inspiration and unique ideas to enrich our modern living space. We'll explore how some Victorian elements can be elegantly reintroduced into our contemporary homes, creating a blend of styles that speaks to the past without sacrificing modernity. Get ready for a journey through time and space as we explore together the timeless charm of Victorian interior design. Don't forget to leave a like if you're excited to discover how this style can influence your modern homes. And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay updated on all our design explorations. Happy watching! In the heart of the Victorian era, a period imbued with opulence and sophistication, home interiors become the stage for an authentic work of art. Imagine walking through the sumptuous residences of that era, where every corner reveals an intricate story. At the entrance, you are greeted by an imposing door, beautifully adorned with intricate details and stained glass, a preview of what awaits you inside. A world of ornate wealth and enveloping hues. Crossing the threshold, your eyes will be captivated by furniture that is true woodworking masterpieces. Chairs and tables present themselves with elaborate inlays, curved backs, and finely carved details. Each piece is imbued with an elegance that speaks of the refined taste of that era. The dominating colors in the environment are rich and deep, conveying a sense of warmth and intimacy. Bordeaux merges with emerald green and dark blue, while touches of gold add a regal note to the ensemble. Frescoes on the ceilings and Persian carpets under your feet create a succession of richly faceted spaces. The windows, often adorned with stained glass, filter daylight in a magical way, spreading shades of color throughout the room. These details not only enrich the spaces but also offer a glimpse of how architecture and furnishings are intertwined in an elegant symphony. Curiosities arise when discovering that many of the decorations, although seemingly complex, were handcrafted by skilled craftsmen of the time. The art of woodworking and carpet weaving reached extraordinary levels of craftsmanship, giving life to functional works of art. The floors, where not adorned with intricate mosaics, hosted sumptuous Persian rugs. These rugs, with their intricate patterns and vibrant colors, became true floor artworks, further emphasizing the richness of the context. And so, immersed in this fascinating journey through time, we realize that the Victorian style is not just an expression of opulence, but a true chapter in the history of art and design. Every element, from architecture to ornamental details, tells stories of an era where beauty and craftsmanship were inseparable. A Victorian design refers to the style prevalent during the Victorian era, which spanned from the mid-19th century to the early 20th century. This period was characterized by the reign of Queen Victoria in the United Kingdom, 1837-1901, and it had a significant impact on various aspects of life, including architecture, fashion, and interior design. Here are some key features of Victorian design. Eclecticism. Victorian design is known for its eclectic nature, drawing inspiration from various historical styles. It often combines elements from the Gothic, Rococo, Renaissance, and even Middle Eastern and Asian influences. Ornate details. Intricate and ornate detailing is a hallmark of Victorian design. Elaborate woodwork, intricate carvings, and detailed patterns in furniture, moldings, and decor are common. Rich colors. Deep, rich colors were favored in Victorian interiors. Burgundy, deep green, navy blue, and dark red were popular choices for walls and fabrics. These colors were often complemented by gold and other metallic accents. Heavy fabrics. Victorian interiors featured heavy drapery, often with elaborate patterns. Velvet, brocade, and damask were common choices for upholstery and curtains. Furniture styles. Furniture in the Victorian era was diverse, ranging from the ornate and heavily carved pieces to more simplified designs. Common furniture pieces included elaborate sofas, armchairs, and side tables. Stained glass windows were a popular architectural feature, adding color and sophistication to homes. These windows often depicted intricate patterns or scenes, cluttered yet cozy. Victorian interiors could be quite busy, with a variety of accessories, collectibles, and decor items. Despite the abundance of elements, the overall effect was meant to be cozy and inviting. Emphasis on nature. Victorian design often incorporated motifs inspired by nature. Floral patterns, botanical illustrations, and animal-inspired details were common. High ceilings. Victorian homes typically had high ceilings, and this architectural feature was often highlighted with elaborate moldings and ceiling decorations. Period revivals. Within the Victorian era, there were several revivals of earlier styles, such as the Gothic Revival and the Renaissance Revival, contributing to the eclectic nature of the design.